It's gonna be just so exciting. We are attempting to do a TikTok style makeup tutorial. So we're gonna do this beautiful makeup look. Very simple, but in a TikTok style with some non-copyright music. So if you like these types of videos, make sure to like the video and to comment down below if you want more of these. And consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you want to see more videos like these, 5 videos a week, Monday through Friday. So let's just get right into this TikTok video. Right, so this is the video. I hope it came out good. I mean, that probably took a long time to edit, and I really hope that you enjoyed it. Of course, I had a lot of fun filming it. It was kind of weird. It was different. I don't really have a lot of TikToks, you know what I mean? So attempting it on a camera like this and on YouTube is kind of a little bit different. And of course, I can't use music that is popular because I'ma get flagged, but it's okay. This is a very fun video. So again, if you like this video, make sure to like the video and to comment down below which was your favorite part, and if you want me to recreate even more of these makeup tutorials like these. I think it's a little bit different. It's fun. It's a little bit shorter, of course, than usual, but it is refreshing to do something different sometimes, and it's like kind of no voice, no music. And if you want something more relaxed, chill with some very cute music so you can put it and just relax, I would definitely do that as well. So yeah, that's what it is. So again, thank you so much for watching, and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you want to see 5 videos a week, Monday through Friday. It would mean the world to me. And just share this video with as many people as you want. Other people want to recreate this. It's like kind of like a editing challenge and the way that you do it. I want to say all the products are going to be listed down below, and the music that I took non-copyright is going to be listed down below as well, so if you want to go check it out. I always take my non-copyright music from the same place on YouTube, and it's just amazing. They have amazing music, and more are gonna come for sure, 100%. Just having fun, right? I will definitely be more like upright next time, like more energy and stuff, but the editing does help. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much again for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next one. I love you all, and bye beauties.